The C2V Initiative is a unique open innovation initiative where we combine a multi-stakeholder group of government, corporates, and non-for-profit and carbon tech experts that work together to advance the carbon tech industry, as well as work with innovators who are needed to scale new solutions to capture CO2 and convert CO2 into added value products and services.
As part of year 2 of C2V, we were the Coport champion. So we mentored all of the startups. We brought teams, probably 20 people from Fluor, wide variety of experts with different disciplines to support all of the different cohort members and help them move towards commercialization.
We know that we have to be ahead of the curve working with disruptive carbon tech. The C2V Initiative has been a perfect platform for us at Fluor.
The opportunity to have some of these industrials like BASF, Unilever, Gore, and Fluor, we would never get from trying to just reach out to them individually. They have committed to dedicating time to talk to us, which is extremely valuable.
3 years ago, it was a space that didn't exist, and we brought together these players from the government world, from the carbon tech expert world, from the corporate world, and of course the startups that participate in the program.
Being able to interact with folks on the demand and buy side and the supply side really helps these startups identify key goals and needs that they need to scale their technology.
We are able to start looking at how to build an ecosystem with the existing industry that you see from our CLC members, while also tapping into all of these up-and-coming technologies from startups from around the world.
There's no other accelerator, incubator that gives you the chance to really get that breadth of contacts.
C2V is really bridging that technology development for the customer to solve a problem that is actually a huge opportunity.
We call it Carbon Tech in Action, which is basically the idea is to actually see pilot plans and actual technology working in the field. Carbon Quest is one of the startups who was part of the year 1 of C2V. They capture CO2 in buildings from the heating system, and that CO2 gets shipped here and cured in concrete products like bricks and blocks.
You're really directly creating a product that is needed, and that is a unique niche within the overall carbon management ecosystem.
There's a sense of the reality of being able to achieve something purposeful, and all the momentum behind that is, I think, giving us all a tailwind and belief in ability to succeed.
It's very unique to find a program that is able to curate all these types of expertise under one roof. So it adds immense value for a startup, especially in the early stage, to be able to accelerate the development cycle.
What I appreciated most was all the members of the team took into account the fact that startup founders have been through accelerators before and may have different needs. So it wasn't like you were doing things that didn't bring much value to you. They asked what you need, they curated the workshop for it.
C2V was truly an amazing program. It was well run and efficient. We were immediately paired with engineers and top-notch CEOs who helped us get a great new perspective on technology development. Scaling is complicated, de-risking is complicated, and all these resources came together that really helped us accelerate our development.
I would definitely recommend C2V. I think you can really kickstart your whole story and journey. You can get yourself in front of a lot of funders.
Good evening, I'm Shravan Kadikoda, the CEO of Carbon Distal.
You're able to access so many resources that will expedite your business and really get you to that next stage, whether it be a pilot or a joint venture.
This is really the forum in which we can gather and find common purpose to create a more sustainable future.
I'm here to congratulate not only the 8 startups that we're here to celebrate, but really what they represent at large, which is unique solutions, vision, and determination to bring new solutions forward that we can begin to deploy at scale.